Your holiday spirit is sure to come shining through with this Christmas Window Stencil Project from Oak Lane Studio. First, spray the front side of your new stencils with Repositionable Spray Adhesive and set each one aside to dry. Next, use frog tape in the corners to help position the wreath stencil in the proper place. Repeat for the present stencil. Next, add pieces of newspaper to mask the areas surrounding the stencil to protect them from overspray. Follow all instructions on your can of Santa Snowfrost and spray the window through the stencil. After waiting a few minutes for the spray to dry, carefully remove the paper and stencils. Carefully and without rubbing or scuffing the existing snowfrost, place and secure the snowfall stencil. Add some newspaper at the bottom. Spray as you did earlier. If any portions of the stencil are not laying flat against the glass, apply slight pressure while spraying in that area. If you choose, you can focus the spray on the empty areas surrounding the existing wreath and presents designs. Once finished, reposition the stencil so that it overlaps the first snowfall design slightly. Apply more spray, avoiding the top edge of the stencil. Continue repositioning the stencil until all desired areas are covered with snowflakes. Once completed, remove the stencil and paper to reveal your festive new stenciled glass door or window. Cleanup of the snowfrost is a snap using just household glass cleaning products. For more tips and ideas, visit oaklanestudio.com today.